Today, March 23rd, 2023, we want to debake our beds, our layers beds. They are 13 weeks already. They are 1 week more than when you are supposed to debake them, but it's still in the time frame. We are going to start debaking them, getting them ready to enter the cage, and they start laying eggs. We collected these beds December last year. So let's start the debaking process of our layers beds. Where are you? See them. So these are the one that has been debaked. It's debaked this. These are the remaining.
No regret.
Yóò di terror ni. You have to collect form before you see him. If you want to see him today, you have to start calling him since last month.
It hasn't reached that level now.
Kaukaya. Look at the size that is being debaked. are done with the baking them. This is almost 5 o'clock. So we pick them from here. You can see that it's empty. We transfer them here. All of them have been debaked. Let me carry one and see. Can you see? Let me pick another one. Can you see? So they are done. They are done. We are done. So we'll start setting up our cage maybe by next week. We'll prepare them to transfer them to the cage.